Find the perimeter from the area. For some geometric shapes, including equilateral triangles, squares, and circles, you can use formulas to find their perimeters from their given areas. To find the perimeter of rectangles, you must know the measurement of one side and the area of the rectangle. Finding the perimeter of a shape using its area begins with the area formula for that particular polygon. This can be done for a few different shapes, including equilateral triangles, squares, and circles. How to find the perimeter from the area of a triangle. The simplest two-dimensional shape is the triangle, and an equilateral triangle has three congruent sides. You can find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle if you know its area. The formula for the area, A, of an equilateral triangle with sides of length S is area equals S squared times the square root of 3 divided by 4. The square root of 3 is 1.732, so let's substitute that into our area formula to make our calculations easier. Since we are given a value for A, we can use algebra to find S. Our value for perimeter is always a linear measurement derived from the square units of the area. Suppose we are told our equilateral triangle has an area of 125.141 centimeters squared. This tells us our perimeter will be measured in centimeters. To find the perimeter, we plug our known values into our formula to find our unknown value. Then apply to solve for S. We get S equals 17 centimeters. Now you plug your side length into the perimeter of a triangle formula. Perimeter equals S times 3, so we have P equals 17 times 3. The answer we get is 51 centimeters. Now let's find the perimeter of a square from the area. For all the complexities of finding the perimeter from the area for an equilateral triangle, the process is far simpler for squares. A square is the only regular quadrilateral. Its sides are congruent and its interior angles are congruent. If you are given the area of a square, A, in square units, the perimeter, P, in linear units, is 4 times the square root of that number. The formula is P equals 4 times the square root of A. For our pictured square, we plug in our area, find its square root, and multiply by 4 to get the total perimeter. And our answer is the perimeter equals 60 yards. Now let's look at how to find the perimeter or the circumference of a circle with area. To find the circumference of a circle from the area, you apply the formula. C equals 2 times the square root of pi times A. Here is a circle with an area of 1,000 kilometers squared. We can plug in our known area into the formula and work from the inside out. We start by taking a value for pi, which is 3.14, and multiplying it times our given area. This gives us 3,140 kilometers squared. Now we next take the square root of that, which is 56.0357 kilometers. And finally, multiply that times 2. Using the area of our circle, we found the circumference of the circle is 112.0714 kilometers. Try out what you've learned by taking the quiz at the bottom of the lesson below.